Okay, everyone, thanks for coming out to our little quiz. So, right here for the first one, let's do it. Constitutional right, I will not say that word. F, the draft failed to incite violence. So it was protected, according to the Supreme Court. Good for them. So researchers aim to ferret out factors that lead to specific results in the election on the Constitution, balanced state power. I did add something that's very important to understand. Geography gives us, I don't know why someone would write Jeffrey Epstein. The geography is very, very important to maintaining a decent country. It's very difficult to invade the United States, and we have Canada. Canada can never invade us because they have a leaf on the flag. Not very strong. Shays Rebellion, really important area there. So take a look at that. We're going to do the same thing here. Shays rebellion was a turning point, failed to support the rebellion since he had become more conservative. That's interesting about people in general, about revolutions, etc. How they're revolutionary when they're outside, but when they're on the inside, they become bureaucratized, more like, okay, I'm with the system now, I'm making money. Shays rebellion was very important in the United States. Both, it was a legitimate and treasonous based on one's opinion. That's very important to understand because it really depends on where you sit. A lot of people, center left in politics, saw it as a more socially oriented rebellion where these farmers would get land reform money, their debt wiped out, etc. Again, very important, the point structure. Extra points already woven into the point structure. You do not have to do anything for it. That's why, like, if you're sick, you miss something, etc., don't worry. There are many points in this point structure, so don't freak out. All right, I mean, freak out if you're not doing anything and you got like 0 points with that and the half the class is over. This is the First Amendment. All right, now the second, we're going to have a debate on that. I've really enjoyed the debates. All right, everyone, thanks for listening and take care. If you have any questions, go to the community forum.